Moses, he said, here am I. And he said, draw not nigh hither. Put off thy shoes from off thy feet. We want to see God, but our shoes are still on. What is your shoe? The path you have chosen for yourself. Your shoes refer to where you have chosen to go. God says, no, that's not my plan. Take off your shoes. It means an act of surrender to the plan of God. Your sorrow will be over when we have the encounter that we need. Your sorrow will be over when God takes his place. The Lord says bad dreams will end, but this month will not exceed this month. He's working on it already. He's working on it already. Your name is Eric.
Yes, sir.
What happened April 6th?
My birthday, sir.
My birthday is April 6th.
Yes, sir.
What is Imo?
I'm from Imo State.
You are from Imo State?
Yes, sir.
Lord, say your hand is very good in organizing events. Do you organize events?
Yes.
Becky Nkane.
That's her name, Becky Nkane. Yes, sir.
Do you do any IT related thing?
I'm a programmer, sir.
You are a programmer?
Yes. That's his field. Prophesy, my prophet.
For 6 years, she's been trying to get a resident permit in Italy. Right after the feet washing service, she fell into a sleep. And you walked up into a room in a dream and woke her up and said, wake up and dance. She stood up, and as the instruction came, she began to dance. When she woke up the next morning, she got a call from the police headquarters. She went there and they told her, it is approved already. The mind-blowing thing, prophet, was the permit they gave to her was not for an immigrant. It was for a full Italian citizenship.
Come on!